Email verification failed on Fidelity Investments Fix. If you're trying to verify your email with Fidelity Investments and it's not working, most people assume the problem is with the platform, but the surprising truth is that it's usually a small error or oversight that can be corrected quickly. Step 1. Check your inbox and all secondary folders such as spam, promotions or social tabs. Fidelity's verification emails sometimes get automatically redirected, and you may miss them if you're not looking carefully. Step 2. Confirm that the email you're using matches the one on your Fidelity account. If you've changed your email recently, make sure the new address is properly registered. You can update your email directly through the account settings or by contacting support. Step 3. Add Fidelity's email addresses to your safe sender list. For example, notifications of Fidelity Insurer's future messages are not blocked or filtered. This small step can prevent repeated verification issues. Step 4. If you still haven't received a verification email, request a new one through the Fidelity website. Avoid sending multiple requests rapidly, as this can trigger temporary security blocks. Finally, once your email is verified, consider setting up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection and ensures smooth access to your investments. Following these steps will help you resolve email verification issues with Fidelity Investments quickly, keeping your accounts secure and accessible without delays. Proper email management and attention to account details are the keys to a seamless verification process.